And now I'm going to introduce you to the new refrigerator. I'm not sure it really is a refrigerator. I believe it's something from outer space, more like Star Wars. But don't be nervous. Here we go. What do you think of those lights at every level, up and down? Why, it's really very much like the makeup setups if you were a Hollywood star. Let me move the cherries. I wonder how the lobsters are going to feel when they come home momentarily and look at this. Hold on, there's more. Here's the freezer. Whoa. Maybe you recognize those cups. And back there might be something familiar. But where's the ice maker? Huh. It's gone. Oh, wait. Here on the door, the ice maker. What will they think of next? And with that lovely song complimenting your jazz festival, we're going to say good evening.